Your inbox is full of tasks. Your AI agent can handle them, but only if you can actually read your email. Hosting your Agentic Mail can do just that. Today I'm going to show you what it is, how you can set it up, and what it looks like when your AI is sorting your leads, drafting replies, and following up without you lifting a finger. Agentic Mail is an email infrastructure built specifically so that AI agents and automation tools can interact with your inbox programmatically. The result? You stop manually sending your inbox and start letting your agent handle the busy work while you stay in control of what actually goes out. Agentic Mail goes beyond just drafting replies to your clients. You can use it to scan your inbox and delete all those cold outreach emails that you won't read, or to organize folders for each of your active clients. One prompt, your email goes from glaring unread notification to organized workspace. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how this works. Once you've set up, head to emails, find your mailbox, and select Agentic Email. This is where all the Agentic Emails stuff is. Hosting your Agentic Mail eligible for all mail plans. The link is in the description box down below and you can use the code HA10 at checkout for 10% discount of your purchase. Webhooks. This is where you can configure a URL that gets called the instant an email arrives. If you're already using an A10, this is your trigger. Every time an email arrives, Agentic Mail fires a webhook to your automation platform instantly. Your workflow picks it up, processes the messages, and takes whatever action you've set up. API access is available to anyone who wants to build something custom with their hosting or mailbox. That could be a web app, a script, or your own agent framework. I've linked the documentation below, but you can also find it in the HPanel. API access also is needed for MCP server. Allow and block list gives you control over exactly who your agent is allowed to interact with, so nothing unexpected gets sent without your approval. If you only want your agent to access emails from a specific domain, say clients from your company, you set that here. MCP server. This is what we are using today. It's the simplest path to connecting Agentic Mail with Claude Desktop or any MCP-compatible AI tool. All you need is the AI tool, text editing program, and Node.js. This is the simplest path to connecting Agentic Mail with Claude Desktop or any MCP-compatible tool. So we're just copying settings, going to Claude, opening Claude settings, selecting developer, selecting edit config, selecting the file, selecting our favorite text editor, and pasting MCP server settings that we've copied from hosting our HPanel. Now we just need a token here, so we are getting back to HPanel. In fact, API access, we're creating a new token. Let's see demo. Let's allow this only for one mailbox. Demo, create a token. We are copying this. This is one time C, so we need to hear that you're copying it. Okay, we copied. Let's go back, and when the Claude restarts, you can just ask Claude, check my inbox. Oh, I have 24 unread messages. Then I can find all my client emails. Okay, so no overdue replies. That's good. Now that the connection is live, and we've tested it out, let me show you what it can actually do. So, I wanna scan my inbox for cold outreach emails and newsletters from that past of 2 weeks and delete them. Amazing, I have many. Every time Claude is asking to Before it deletes anything, Claude shows me what it found and asks for confirmation. You always get review step before anything destructive happens. I confirm they're gone. Now we can organize emails. It created 3 folders and now they're moving them. Now we can ask After it will move, we can ask for our weekly inbox summary. Now let's ask to summarize all unread emails from the past 7 days. Group them by sender and tell me which ones need a reply. Oh, and I get all the summaries that are needing replies. And then this alone is worth the setup. Instead of scrolling through everything, I get a one structure overview. I can see at a glance what matters and what does not. And then we can ask finally to draft everything. So oh, and I've got what I need to reply for everyone. Nice, it really helps a lot. And that's our quick walkthrough of the new Hostinger Agentic Mail, a dedicated connection for your AI agent and tools with an MCP connection that makes Claude Desktop feel like it has always been your email inbox. If you want to check out more, I've linked our video about Hostinger AI Mail Assistant on the screen here for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.